A data analyst is pretty much like the Sherlock Holmes of the digital age. They are detectives who sift through mountains of data to uncover hidden insights and solve real-world problems. First off, a data analyst needs to find data to analyze based on questions someone needs to know the answer to. Once they have found the data, they need to transform it into a form that's ready to analyze and answer the questions. To a human being, one of which I am, analyzing these huge datasets would take a really long time, so we use computer programming languages such as SQL, structured query language, and Python to be able to condense this data into summarized datasets that include things like totals, counts, and averages. A data analyst would then take this summarized dataset into tools such as Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI to make pretty tables and charts to be able to easily identify trends and insights. Once they have the juicy insights, they need to tell someone about it to drive decision making. This is usually done in the form of reports, dashboards, or presentations, the latter of which requires verbal communication.
Unless you pre-record an Insights video with the Snoop Dogg AI voice,